We going for a road test. I'm gonna let Pepper hold the camera and stuff. Hopefully I don't kill it the first time. What's up, Pepper? Shit, man, if you ain't come back here, you gone.
Please do not try any of the crazy stuff you see here on our channel, Mr. Original Concept Garage, as they are always performed on closed off streets.
Alright.
I grabbed that bedside, yanked it back out the bottom, in the back.
Oh, brake's still on, that's right.
Yeah, you just flip the lever over.
Yeah, I forgot. One thing with the analog thing's still on. But
I got the brakes split out pretty good. They work damn good, the brakes do there. Brakes are tight now. You know, you got brakes.
Wants to go, don't it?
I always take off in seconds. It's a bulldog. I don't never use first.
Look that smoke come out of there. Look at her.
Dang,
You need some help there?
well, it's been a while since I drove a 5-speed, man.
If you bought this thing much more, I believe I'd get out and walk.
Yeah, 4th gear would be fine.
I think you fit there a while ago.
Right? I think I did too. That car coming.
Oh, they'll get out of the way. They don't won't get run over by heavy here.
Yeah, right.
I think you just hit 4th. I know you did. You hit 4th.
Yeah. That's crazy, man. Damn. Way up and around. Yeah, it's still wheel. All over the place. We're gonna fix the look. We're gonna do it. I reckon that's off, isn't it?
Steering wheel's crooked. Yeah. It's a little.
I reckon that's a little off.
It's a little sideways.
I tried putting 3rd, dude.
3rd. I think you went
I
way.
was gonna try to fucking kick it.
You went
third.
way beyond 3rd there.
This thing don't shift like a normal truck. I'm not used to it,
The
dude.
shifter's got slack in. I need to work on
Yeah, I
that.
know, dude. I feel that. I'm used to like sitting and going, man.
Once you get used to it, though, it's pretty easy to hit.
Yeah. Well, hell, even your little truck, man. That little Chevy you had, it's broke down. I think out there right now.
What is?
One they bought.
Oh yeah. That trick, the gear ratio was close on it.
Yeah, I like that, dude.
It should be good though. To have almost 400,000 miles on it.
Oh, no kidding.
It did. It still runs. Dave let somebody borrow it. And they tore the rear end out of it.
Yeah, I seen that, dude.
I think they got it fixed now though. I'd go over to the church and turn around.
That's what I do.
Switch drivers.
Yep.
Chinese,
yeah, you
Chinese fire drill.
Yeah. I ain't used to it, man.
Well, I ain't used to it either.
I've been so used to driving automatic for so long. I miss driving 5-speed. I really do miss it. Yeah, with the steering wheel, I don't like it steering wheel.
Why ain't you wearing your big Mac Daddy Top Gun shades there, buddy? Huh?
All right. Those
I mean,
truck.
Tom Cruise, he wore them himself, didn't he, in Days of Thunder?
Right. They come with the truck.
Oh. You mean Tom Cruise owned his truck?
Yep, you sure did.
I think that was Tom Smooth.
Tom Smooth, yeah.
Not Tom Cruise, it was Tom Smooth.
Hey, truck, you're home.
Well, it's close. It's made this journey many times.
Yeah, right. There's the farmer come off of.
It definitely knows its way here. Look at it. It's running better already. Look at that. It says, woo, I'm home.
Yeah, no shit. Y'all drop me off?
Yeah.
Fuck no, you ain't getting dropped off.
Y'all gonna leave me here? I want to go back in there. Park me. Where y'all going? I'm scared.
You going home with me? Yeah, switch drivers. Hey, watch out, pup. Watch out. Come on. Out of the way. Watch out. Our exhaust about ready to fall off. dude. We're gonna get back. Like the exhaust pipe ready to fall off.
Oh, it was them very fall off before.
Dang, man. All right. I had a dream I died here. Remember me telling you about that dream?
Over here?
Yeah, I had a dream I died down here, yeah.
The bridge?
I was on a bike, dude. I had a dream
Well, I hate to tell you, this is one big bike we're riding on.
Oh, yeah. I went right over there and I hit that thing right there. I went over there and died. Hit that straight up and died. Game over.
I bet that makes you want to ride your ruckus down there all the time, though.
Oh, yeah.
You're like, let's go, boys.
Let's go, boys, girls, let's go.
Let's get you some.
You go. Definitely tighten that. Yeah, get worked out.
I like to do it here. Point and shove.
See here? See, I told you.
I got it, buddy.
I know, it is a better in there,
It's
though.
got a little play there, just a little slop. I love how fast it's been on this thing.
Oh, yeah. Steering wheel, too.
Look at
No, I know.
It's got a little bit of play.
Just a little bit. Just a wee bit.
Just a wee bit of play, look. Just a little bit.
Oh!
I think I turned it twice before it ever moved.
I know, that's what I'm saying, dude. we got a few things to fix on this.
Well, I mean, hey.
Hey, but it is what it is. Hey, we're gonna have fun with it, ain't we?
It's one of them you gotta find your groove with, you know?
That's right. Get your groove on.
Get in where your steering wheel's gonna fit in. Because I always tell you, when you turn the wheel, it's somewhere between here and there.
In between somewhere.
No.
Truck said, I'm home. Go back, take me back. No, I ain't taking you back. You're getting cleaned up. I'm sorry, but I know you don't want a bath, but you're gonna get one. I'm sorry, but I mean, I swear to God, 2 huge garbage cans that kept this thing.
Thinking like that.
I don't know, because there are all kinds of bad on it.
It's called death wobble.
No shit. Oh God, it's getting worse.
It's when you hit your brakes or hit a bump. It starts it.
Yeah.
It's called my worn steering components.
Oh yeah.
It's easy enough to fix though.
Yeah, we'll get it all done. Just takes time. I'm willing to put the time in, so. Yeah, I see it.
Yeah, brakes.
Made you look. I told you, man, I told you to do with that.
Hard to control.
Responsibility for that, Pepper.
Trying to control myself.
Pepper, try to control yourself. I'll be dang.